Good morning, friends. Today is Friday, April 3rd, 2020. I'm coming to you outside from my deck, so the sun's shining bright down on me and it's casting a little bit of a shadow here, so I hope you can see okay. But right behind me, it might be hard to see, but right behind me, I have our bird feeder. I went to our classroom and I got our bird feeder and I brought it so that we could watch the birds over here at my house as well. This is actually the room that I have my little classroom kind of set up in. So yeah, so I figure I spend a lot of time in there, and maybe I can get some good pictures of some birds up close when they're feeding. So I wanted to get it set up with you guys. I just have some bird seed here that I'm gonna place inside of there. All right. So now it's set up, and you guys know that when we did it in our classroom, it took a few days before the birds started coming. So it might be the same way here. So I will keep you posted and let you know when I start seeing birds. My challenge for you today is just to get outside and enjoy the weather some. Enjoy the beautiful weather that we're having. And you know what? There's so much uh, going on right now that I hate that we can't be together every day. But you know what? We can be thankful for the great things that we have, and we are. I am very thankful for the beautiful weather that we're having, and I've had some fun in the last few days doing some planting and some things out on my deck. So I will try to show you some of my things. It's going to be kind of hard. Let's see. There's a tree I planted right there, and I have something over there. It's very hard to do this. There we go. There's a flower bush tree that I planted. Um, more flowers over here. I have another tree in that corner. So anyway, I appreciate my outside time, and I want you to get some outside time today. And hope you have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend. Bye, guys. See you on Monday.